Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to convert formula to values in Microsoft Excel. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. In the first method, I'm just going to copy this formula. I copied this formula. Okay, see here, this is the formula. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Just press Ctrl V. Now it is not showing the value. To avoid this one, just right click, select paste as values, this option. Now we are able to see the value. In the second method, I'm going to copy this value and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to copy this value by pressing the Ctrl C. I'm going to paste here. To paste, I'm going to use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift V. Press and hold the Ctrl Shift, press the V key. Yes, it pasted only value, not the formula. And this shortcut key available only in latest version of Microsoft Excel. In the third method, there is no need to copy any value or formula. Just move your mouse pointer on this formula. When the mouse cursor converts to 4-direction arrow, just press and hold the right mouse button. Just drag like this. Okay. Now leave your mouse right button. Here select copy here as values only option. It automatically pasted the value only, not the formula. That's it today video tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.